Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Winter season in Delhi has come, so we have to take some special care of our plants in the garden. While gardening, me and my sister also love the nature around us. Every day from this gardening, we learn many things. Today, my mom will tell you how to take care of lemon plant after it has done with its fruiting. Earlier in our channel, we have uploaded about how to grow and take care of this lemon plant. If you haven't watched that video, then you can go and watch that video. We will give the link in the description box. Your lemon tree will perform best in full sun. It can tolerate some shade, but this will reduce fruiting. It will be equally at home in dry or humid areas. So keep your plant in a sunny area. The ideal soil is a rich, well-drained loam. However, the lemon tree is adaptable to almost any soil type except heavy clay. For the best performance, improve the soil before planting your lemon tree. Blend through compost, manure or quality compost before planting. While planting, my mom gave 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost for the soil. Make sure that you feed your lemon plant well, as it requires regular feeding. Make sure to check your plant and remove all the damaged, dead and infected leaves. As a fertilizer, my mom gives eggshell powder, banana peel powder, kitchen waste compost and sometimes vermicompost. If you take care of your lemon plant by watering it properly, giving it sunlight and also giving nice fertilizers, then you will get a lot of lemon throughout the year. If we harvest anything from our garden, then mainly me and my sister do it. We both love harvesting. Now the last point is, if your area has a very cold winter, then you must give it a quality mulch. If you want to know something about mulching, then we have uploaded many videos. You can go and check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.